Day 2. We have been driving for about 4 hours.
Yep. We were going to find this, we were going down this really long dirt road in the middle of Nevada, trying to find a good spot to fish, and we decided to turn around because...
And come back to where we were yesterday.
Yeah, we had 19 miles, and it was going to take us an hour, and we're like, ah.
And the road was only getting worse, so...
Yeah. But with all the issues in the van...
Yeah, we're not trying to break down in the desert.
No. So right now we're going to go get some coffee, and then we're going to make lunch, and then we're going to get on the river again. I think we're going to go on the same section, right?
I think so. It's catch and release, so you know there's fish in there.
Right. But it's a beautiful day, sunny. It's about 60 degrees right now, and yeah, after yesterday, it kind of got us excited to see what's going to happen for the next couple days.
We're looking for coffee.
This dog's working really hard, huh? Taking out flies because Trent lost a bunch yesterday. Got a fish.
Finally. Good thing we brought this big net because it is way down there. I don't know if this net will. All right, I gotta hold on.
So
Janelle's on the board. 1 for 1 today. She's starting off way better. We're gonna kind of go fish by fish. She caught it on a cliff. It was a higher up cliff, so we had to use like all 8 foot of the net. And yeah, just to put them right back in the water because it's kind of a long fight. So we're gonna see what happens next.
update. So last pocket turned 3 fish, 2 maybe 3 fish.
Yep, Janelle has some nice fish. She is killing it on the streamer.
I don't know if they're just not committing.
No, it's our best streamer we got.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. It's windy as hell out here. All right. We're stuck on the stupid sandbank. Watch how we got to get out of here.
Ouch.
Yeah. But, Janelle, what'd you just have in that pocket?
Oh, we had a beautiful brown.
Beautiful brown, and then I had a nice fish on the other side that kind of came off.
Yeah.
We said we're gonna come back in an hour, but we're gonna need a few
hours?
Course. A few course to do that trail again.
Yep. End of the day.
We made it to a bar. We love this bar.
It's very cute.
The lady's a little mad at us. Took her to say the bar.
Yeah, she wasn't about it, but Give some good soup, good homemade potato salad, a couple drinks. It was a good day on the river.
We're gonna get drunk and shit.
That does not look appetizing, but got some steak and a burger.
We good.
Listening to some old classic country at the bar.
Shit.
Hang on. What?
Cheers. We're gonna get drunk. We ate some green vitamins. We did. I ain't gonna lie to people. What? Just 2,000 milligrams each. Could you imagine?
Ignore him.
Some people don't know what that means. That would kill you.
So, we're about to watch some TV.
Rio just had a New York strip.
Look at her.
Look at this princess. Hey, up. It was a good day.
It was a good day.
We were supposed to figure out what the fuck we're doing tomorrow.
Did we?
No, we got drunk.
All right, we're about to go down.
Going down.
Even though it's still light out.
Maybe I get lucky.